You're listening to Namaste Radio. Mogambo.
नमस्ते, वेलकम बैक. दिस इज नमस्ते रेडियो. मैं हूं वंशिका और मेरे साथ हैं संदीप. If you are watching us on Facebook Live, let us know. Comment on our Facebook Live video. ताकि हमें पता चले आप देख रहे हैं. और अगर आपके कोई भी फीडबैक है, let us know. And if you're listening to us on 99.5 FM, whatever part of Houston you're listening to us, let us know. Give us feedback if it's clear and crisp. But now let's talk to someone who we all know. आप सब भी जानते हैं. And इनसे जो हम बात करेंगे, that is a very 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 important topic जो हम सब की ज़िंदगी में एक स्टेज पे बहुत important हो जाता है, and which is Medicare. And I am talking about our very own Medicare specialist, licensed sales agent, Kaushi Shah. Good morning, Kaushi. Welcome to Namaste Radio.
Good morning, Vanshika. How are you?
Doing absolutely fine. How are you doing on this Saturday morning?
Perfect. Excited. Always love speaking with you. You and Sandeep have the positive energy. Love listening to Namaste Radio. So, hey, hats off to you both.
Thank you. Thank you so much. And we actually want to always thank you for your support and your trust in us. So thank you so much.
No, thank you. Thank you for having me on air. Thank you for this wonderful platform that I have where I can reach out to all our clients, all our Houstonians. And like you said, it is a very important information. When I speak with some clients, they're like, oh my God, I didn't know that's that. So it's so valuable to some people. And to get something like this, it's awesome. So thank you so much for a wonderful platform. Really appreciate it.
Absolutely. So let's get started with, those important topics that we want to touch today. And the first one that I want to ask you, Kaushi, today is when is the enrollment period for Medicare? And what are the changes for the 2022 plan?
Oh, wow. Yeah. So, 2022 plans are approaching. The enrollment period is approaching. So thank you so much for asking this question. I really appreciate it. So enrollment period is right around the corner. It starts from October 15 to December 7.
Okay.
This is the time, very important, very crucial time for people to revise the Medicare plan that they currently have, the drug plan that they currently have, kind of jot down the issues, the problems that they encounter this year, or even the good positive points that, I like this in my plan and I like to continue having this. So it's a really good time. This is the time to sit down, analyze your plan, see what you liked about it, what was hard about it, what was easy about it, what you like to keep, or what you like to learn about it in the following year. And please reach out to me. Unfortunately, we cannot talk about the 2022 plan just yet.
Sure.
However, we will be able to come October 1st. But as usual, there's always some changes, good and bad for people. It just depends. So like I said, this is a very important time to sit down, analyze what you have, what you like, what you don't, what you want. So that way you're prepared when you call me. You can ask me that, hey, I like this, or I had this trouble. So that way I understand what you're looking for, and I can try to find a plan that's going to work for you as an individual. And on that, I also want to stress one more thing. People think that, they only have one choice or something. They just don't understand. They don't know. And I tell them that, no, they have variety of choice. I have lots of clients in the same household where a husband will have one company, one plan, or where a wife will have another company, another plan. Because even though they are living together, their husband and wife, their needs are different.
Right.
And every individual needs are different. So it's, I customize the plan according to their needs, and then we'll work on it.
And that's something I really love about you, because every time we have spoken, you've always mentioned this part about customizing the plan, because a lot of times, with our regular healthcare insurance, it's like, if it's a group plan, then, you just have to jump on it as a group or as a family. But then with Medicare, whenever we are talking about this, I love the fact that you can customize the plan. So definitely, everyone listening out there, this is a very important point that Kaushi has mentioned again about customizing the plan. So just because your husband has a particular plan, don't think that, if now that you have reached 65, then you will also have to be into the same plan. Yeah.
Exactly.
And Kaushi, how can they choose a better plan?
Yeah, so that kind of goes into, I kind of jumped on that, but yeah, so basically it's the same way, choosing a plan, it's kind of writing down what you want, what your needs are, and then going from there. Some people need, transportation more. Some people need dental work. Some people need some medicine that are not covered in their plan. So choosing a plan is kind of understanding what you have, what you need, what you want. And then I have a lot of, and then I get a lot of calls like, what do I choose? Do I choose a supplement or do I choose an Advantage plan? And that's something that I can go over on an individual basis. There is a difference between a supplement and an Advantage plan. There's a huge difference between those two.
Sure.
And I want people to understand when they purchase either or, they're not going to get compromised with their health care needs. However, it's good to understand what they're getting into and how the plan will work. So choosing a plan, please get with me. I'll go over both the options, and whichever option you choose will go more in depth with the one that you're choosing, and teach you how that plan will work and how to use that plan.
Okay. And then what about medication? Is all of that included in this, or is there like something different that they have to buy for medication?
Yeah, so if they are choosing an Advantage plan, some of the Advantage plans have a medicine built in it. If you're choosing a supplement, they do not, so then you have to buy a medication.
Okay.
Yeah, and that's really important because I get a lot of calls, believe it or not, more on medication that, my medication is costing me more money, I'm paying so much money every so often, and then that's something that we'll talk about it. I look at everybody's medicine. I ask them, what's the name of your medicine? What's the dosage you're taking? And then kind of go into that.
And it is very important because typically, I would like to say not all, but majority of the people, when we reach at that age, when we are, qualifying for Medicare, you're on some kind of medication, like at least one medication, and maybe as simple as blood pressure medication or a cholesterol medication. So it is so important that when you are talking about selecting a plan with Kaushi about this, please do mention. And like she said, she can put everything together, choose the best possible plan with you, whether it includes medication or you have to buy it separately. So all of that details, do not forget to mention all of that to Kaushi. And because medication and the two main things, Kaushi, even like if I have to think of anything to do with health, I think selecting the doctor, because a lot of times it's in your network, out of your network, and then medication. These are the two main issues a person goes through after they've had purchased some kind of health plan.
Exactly, you're right on the target on that one. Yeah, they're like, sometimes they, even with me, they forget like to mention their heart doctor or their nephrologist or anybody, because they feel that they only go see them once or twice a year. Yeah. But that once or twice a year is still important. And then who knows, with your health condition, you might have to go again, or just something that your PCP or primary care has seen that wants you to see them maybe sooner than what the requirement was. And that's when you're fumbling, like, oh my God, I never mentioned this doctor to you, but I need to go see this doctor. And then come to find out he or she's not in the network, or So, kind of don't take anything lightly. And like you said, I want to touch base on like blood pressure and cholesterol medicine that you said.
Yeah.
Such a basic medicine.
Yeah.
Like you said, pretty much everyone kind of is on it, unfortunately, right?
Yeah.
And don't take those lightly. They do have tiers, and they fall in as a maintenance medicine. However, with certain plans, it might be less payment, where other plan it might be a higher co-payment. So don't take anything lightly. Talk about everything. Know what you have, what you're taking. And don't just assume, oh, I've been taking my blood pressure for a year. It's only costing me a few bucks. I'm okay with it. And next thing you find out, it's an issue or something,
Absolutely.
So yeah.
And all that information that Kaushi is sharing, we are live on Facebook. We will be sharing the podcast on Monday also. So you can always go back and listen to it. And of course, we will be giving out Kaushi Shah's phone number so that you can directly call her and get the process started. Kaushi, before we let you go today, there are two questions that I have in my mind. First is, can people change their Medicare plan like right now while they are, on it?
So that's a tough question, and unfortunately, I don't have a straight answer. Yes, they may, and no, they may not. It all depends on individual situations. So I will have to speak with them. They must call me, and I will have to see if there is a special enrollment for that client and see if we can switch it. It all just depends.
Okay. And very quickly, the basic qualification for Medicare. I know we spoke about that last time, but this is like a very basic question which everybody always has, and there may be someone listening out there who may be listening to us for the first time here. So basic qualification for qualifying for a Medicare plan.
Yeah, so, of course, we all know it's a federal insurance company for people turning 65 or older. So, what are the qualifications is you must be 65 or older. You can be under 65 under certain disabilities, and also you can have Medicare. The other rules are, citizen. You don't have to be citizen. You can also be a green card holder, but you must work 10 years or accumulated 40 quarters hour.
Sure.
So if you don't meet any of these requirements, I have to see if I can still get you on Medicare. Where you might not have to pay the premium. We might have to see if we can get an assistance from the state. But again, it will all depend on individual basis. But basically, it's kind of 65 or on disability or, must work 10 years or accumulate 40 quarter hours. And then there's other things that we can work on it to see if we can get Medicare for you.
Perfect. Thank you so much for sharing that. And now, Kaushi, please share your phone number where they can reach you.
Yes, please give me a call anytime. Call me, text me, whatever is comfortable for you. My number here is 832-282-3515. I'll repeat it again, 832-282-3515.
That's right. That's Kaushi Shah, 832-282-3515. Anytime you have any Medicare questions, reach out to her. And she also has a Facebook page, which definitely you must follow, which is Kaushi Shah Medicare/Health Insurance. So if you need any further questions, follow that page or call her again at 832-282-3515. Thank you so much, Kaushi. Anything else before you would like to, leave today?
No. Thank you so much. Thank you, Vanisha, for always, welcoming me, letting me come to your platform. I really appreciate you, Sandeep, everyone. So I really appreciate it. Thank you so much, Namaste Radio. And I'll be at the Independence Day tomorrow, too. So if somebody wants to come meet tomorrow, have questions at the Stafford, I will be there. So...
Perfect. Yeah. It's from 1 to 7 p.m. at Stafford Center on 10505 Cash Road. So, yeah, perfect time to go meet Kaushi Shah at one of the booths. So, don't forget to stop and say hello.
Yeah, absolutely. I'll have some giveaways and everything. So, please stop by and please call me if you have any questions regarding your health insurance.
Wonderful. Thank you, Kaushi. Have a good Saturday and happy Independence Day to you.
Thank you so much. Happy Independence Day to you too.
Thank you. Namaste.
Namaste. Bye.
Bye-bye. So that was Kaushi Shah. Again, her number is 832-282-3515.